Hey, what's up? Hey, Eligible and Kids, this is Dr. Callahan for Week 3 Wednesday. How are you guys doing? Here are your warm-up blogs. So go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions. Okay, we're going to go ahead and create the assignment on MS Teams so that way we have that ready to go for the next day. And again, we're now back at the hybrid model. So if you are supposed to be doing your assignments at home, make sure you are doing this at home. So this is for week 3, Wednesday, Algebra 1, Semester 2, and our topic is going to be your assessment on solving exponential equations. Your instructions, make sure you guys watch the video, view the assignment, and upload your work. There you go. 10 points every day, and it is due by 3 p.m. Wednesday. So I'm going to go ahead and click on assign. All right. And then, of course, I'm going to go ahead and attach your assignment here as well, so that way you guys can see it. Oh, that does not look very good. So let me try to see if I can make that look a little bit better for you guys. All right, so now you should be able to see this a little bit better. You're welcome to go ahead and just work on this on a separate piece of paper and then go ahead and turn that in. Okay, so with that said, I'm actually going to help you guys with your assessment as we are getting started with this. So question number 1 on your assessment asks you, is it a linear model? Linear meaning that you go up in a straight line. Exponential model, which is a growth, and then justify your answer. So generally, if it's going to be an exponential model, if the number is going up really big and really fast. So looking at this part right here, here you have a 12, 8, 4, 0. It looks like it's going pretty steadily. So I will say that this is a linear model. And then go ahead and explain to me why that is. For number 2, if you take a look at the y value, it looks like it's plunging down pretty quickly from -2 all the way to -54. So I will say that's an exponential. And then give me a few sentences explaining why that is. For 3, 4, 5, and 6, I'm going to have you guys go ahead and try that on your own. So go ahead and do that. Okay, and then I'm going to have you guys go ahead and try for 5. And I'm going to go over number 4. So you're going to do number 1, 2, and 3, number 4. So at this one, what we're doing is we're solving for the x's. So here you have the 6, which is great. So cancel that out. Bring down the exponent. So -2x equals 2 minus 3x. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the 3x on both sides. So you have 1x equals 2. Divided by 1 on both sides, x equals just 2. So now you guys do 1, 2, and 3 on your own, please. All right, let's go and take a look at number 7. So for number 7, the base is going to be 5. So how do I make this 25 with a 5. So 5 squared is going to give me a 25. So then I just take the exponents. And I'm going to go ahead and work with this by distributing the 2 into the parenthesis. Subtract the 2x on both sides, and I get a 1x. Subtract the 1 on both sides, x equals 1, and that is your answer. You guys give number 8 a try. It's somewhat similar to that. I'm going to go over number 10. If you take a look at number 10, your base is 2. So what can you do with the 16 to have a base of 2? I could say 2 times 2 is a 4, 2 times 2 times 2 is an 8, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is going to give me a 16, so 2 to the 4th power. Well, now that you have exactly the same base, you cancel that out. You have m plus 1 equals 4 times m plus 7. M plus 1 equals 4m plus 28. Subtract the m on both sides, and you get 1 equals 3m plus 8. Subtract the 8 on both sides, you get 1 minus 8, which is a negative 7, equals 2 or 3m. Or I'm sorry, it's going to be a negative 27. There you go. And then, of course, when you divide it by 3, m is equal to a negative 3, and that is your answer. So go ahead and do number 7, 8, and 9. Okay, now if you're done with this, I'm going to have you guys move on to the decimals activity that you're going to be doing, which is going to be the right side of this. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go to student.decimals.com and insert the code 9YEUS, and that is going to be your second part of your assessment. Insert 4 for your answers for the 18 questions. Make sure you guys have your answers for the 18 questions, and your 18 questions look something like this. So with that said, I'm going to show you guys how we can go about doing that. So let's take a look at this. Here is where we are, and you are going to Introduction to Growth and Decay. You're going to go ahead and insert your name and then just go. And then you're going to be answering the following questions. So make sure you guys do that. Now, if you would like some extra credit, another one that you can do is to do the ones that I have right here on what comes next. And with that one, you're just going to go to decimals.com. And once you're over there, you're going to insert the code. And the code for you guys for this one is going to be 9YEUS. So then join. Oh, let's see. And if you cannot join, it's not a big deal because you do have it in front of you, the questions anyways. And so you're able to just write it on that piece of paper. But for the time being, I'm gonna make sure, see if I can get there or not. What comes next? There we go. Oh, actually, here it is. It's going to be right there. So you just go ahead and click on start, and then you'll be able to have access to it. All right, guys, as always, stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.